Okay, now we're videoing. This is we're opening Grandma Jalaire's wonderful presents.
Yeah.
Okay. First say, thank you, Grandma Jalaire.
Thank you, Grandma Jalaire.
Good. Andrew, say, thank you, Grandma Jalaire.
Thank you.
Say it.
Say the camera.
Thank you, Grandma Jalaire.
Good.
Good.
Okay.
Okay.
Good job.
Whoa, what is it?
It's my car.
Wow. What kind of car is it, Joseph?
A Fiat.
A Fiat.
The coolest car, Mama.
Oh, nice. And what color is your Fiat?
Whoa.
Where's my car?
Wow.
Thank you,
Thank you, Andrew. Say thank you, Grandma Jalaire. Say thank you, Grandpa Greg.
This gotta go really fast.
This can go really fast.
It has wheels.
And it has wheels.
It has fat wheels. It
Yes.
can go real fast.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, you ready for your next present? Okay, here you go.
This is my car.
What's inside?
Whoa, ho, ho. I like the paper.
No, I
I like the
this
paper,
one.
Greg and
I
Jalaire.
want this.
Oh, we got a dinosaurs book.
Dinosaur book.
Thank you,
Joseph,
Grandma Jalaire,
what
with
did you
some
get?
stickers to match. Same. What is Joseph seeing? And we've got a Julius book.
Andrew, let that one go so fast. Huh?
And here's another one.
Whoa.
So many animals.
Wow.
Oh, and the book called Noah's Ark. Wow. Thanks, Grandma Jalaire. Okay. So many nice books. Do you need help? Okay, Dad,
No.
I'll help you.
you.
Okay, and Andrew, you
Here,
get to open
let me
this
help you open
section.
this one first, okay? Here. Pull this one. Pull that one. There you go. Here, keep pulling. Keep pulling.
The fast car.
Pull this one.
The field.
Keep going. Yeah, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Oh, I'm just gonna like this.
Whoa,
Wow.
what is that?
Do you know what that is, Andrew?
Oh.
That's a stencil guide.
Stencils.
Dad, would you give him a piece of paper and a pencil? Please?
Yay, and the dinosaurs.
Okay, now first we open this. Okay, let me show you
Dinosaur
this.
book, yes I will.
Look at this. Okay, pull this one out.
Ooh.
They're just so
Paper.
excited with their cars. They don't want to play with anything else yet. Don't worry, I'm sure we'll love it. Thank you, Grandma Jalaire. Okay. Let's all. Okay, thank you, Grandma Jalaire. You're awesome. Say thanks, Grandma Jalaire.
Thanks so much today.
Okay, say thank you, Grandma Jalaire. Thank you for the car.
Thank you for the car.
I love you.
I love you.
Good.
I love you.